Okay, have you ever had a phase where everything looked fine from outside, but अंदर से something felt off? Like you were doing okay for so long, you showed up, you tried, you handled things quietly. No drama, nothing, was chalte raha, it was going on. And then one day, just one fucking day, you reacted differently. Maybe you broke down, maybe you said something you usually wouldn't. Maybe you were just tired of being the strong one. And suddenly that moment became your identity. People didn't see your years of effort. They saw that one moment of a hurt cut. Because that's not who you are. For the longest time, I was the person who had things sorted. At least that's how it looked. I managed, I adjusted, I kept moving even when it was heavy. बस आदत हो गई थी. Like, and honestly, I didn't even realize that I was carrying too much until the day I couldn't anymore. One moment of weakness, one emotional reaction, one phase where I wasn't okay, and that's all it took. Suddenly, I wasn't strong anymore. I was too sensitive, too emotional, changed. जैसे you know इतने इतने सालों का बैलेंस एक दिन में मैटर ही नहीं करता. There was this weird guilt too, like I disappointed people just by being human. And the worst part, I started believing it. I started questioning myself, my growth, my strength. I kept thinking if I was really doing well, तो अब ये क्यों हो रहा है? Like if I was doing well, then ये क्यों हो रहा है यार? That's when I realized something. We are so used to judging ourselves by our lowest moment that we forget how long we stood before that. And randomly, this thought came from the most unexpected place. That Indigo Airlines wala thing. 19 years of being on time and just 2 days of delay. And people said something has changed. Bas, that's it. And it made sense. Life भी ऐसा ही करती है. One delay, one bad place, one messy moment. और वही सबसे ज़्यादा याद रह जाता है. But here's the truth, I am learning slowly. A bad pace doesn't cancel a good journey. A moment of weakness doesn't erase years of strength. You don't lose your progress just because you paused. You don't lose your worth just because you struggled. Life isn't linear. कभी भी perfect नहीं होती यार. There will be days you're so proud of yourself and days you barely recognize of who you are. And honestly, दोनों दिन valid है. So if you're in that space right now where you feel like you have fallen behind, like you have disappointed people, like you're not who you used to be, listen. You didn't become less. You just become honest. And that's honesty. That's not failure. That's growth. Even if अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, so take your time. Let people misunderstand you for a while. Don't give a fuck about them. Because the one who really see you will remember the whole journey. Not just the moment you stumbled. The story isn't over because of one delay. It never was. That's it. Thank you. Bye.